Hey guys! Oh, thank you so much for being here. Now, I have an issue in my garden, and the issue is the chipmunks. They are eating out my potatoes. Now, I wasn't ready to reap the potatoes yet, but it seems as though I am gonna have to go ahead and reap the potatoes because look at this. I was looking for this one. Check this out. They dug this out and they ate it. And I just came around here in the garden and there was a chipmunk perched on the edge of one of my planters. So I am going to go ahead and see what I can get from that particular planter. They're also digging in the ground in some of the potatoes that I have in the ground. They are real pesky around here. They're driving me bananas. But yeah, I am going to go ahead and reap the potatoes that are in that pot over there, or that planter. Check this out. See that? They're digging here, they're digging there, they're digging everywhere. Over here is where they dug into, and I just came and I saw it perch right here. It's running over there, and check that out. Digging in, trying to get to my potatoes. They're just driving me nuts. So I'm going to try to see if I can reap what's in here. I have 3 here in this container that I actually dug out earlier because they were close to the surface and they were going to get them. So I got these ones. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what else we can get. Let's see what I go on. What I go on, what I go on, what I go on. See that chipmunk over there? Get away from here. So you're digging over here too. Come on, man. This is crazy. I was not ready to take them out. But I have to. Because they're driving me nuts. The chipmunks. It's not, well, I don't see the squirrels doing it. It's the chipmunks that are doing it. Ay, 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 ay. Not too shabby. There's a little green part here. I tried to plant them deep, but it seemed as though they grew closer to the top. Yeah, mosquitoes. So I can't be out here too long. I'm just hoping. Do you know what I'm gonna do? The soil that's in here, I'm gonna use it to top up the other pots so that the soil will be higher in the planters so they can't get to the potatoes. Mosquito 1, mosquito 2. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, look at that. There's a nice size one here. Oh, see? They could stay a little longer, but the chipmunks are digging them out. So I'm gonna get something to take the dirt from here, and I'm gonna put the dirt in the other planters I have, so the dirt will be higher over the potatoes, and that way the chipmunks won't be able to get to the potatoes. This is a piece of potato that I planted. I just got one potato from it. Like the okay, so I'm gonna put that in there. And I'm gonna put this in here. Now I'm wondering if when I planted my potatoes, if the chipmunks actually, see, look at this. They were eating this one. Oh Lordy, Miss Claudie. It's disappointing. It is so disappointing because these things are not ready to come out yet, but the chipmunks are digging them out. Oh yeah. What can I say? What can I do? Whew. These mosquitoes are horrible. I got a few potatoes. I got a few. Okay. I don't know. I'm going to leave it like that. And maybe they won't be able to dig to find the potatoes. I'll see what happens when I come back out in the morning. Life in the countryside. They are also digging in here. As I said, I thought that when I planted the potatoes, I thought that I had planted them deep enough so that they would be deep in the soil, but I guess not. The chipmunks are digging down and taking them out. Okay, so yeah, let's try that bed and see what's in it. They're just not ready to come out. And we still have a good at least 3 weeks before the frost.